BSc Part 2nd, Paper 2nd Organic Chemistry. Today we are going to learn about the alcohols, physical properties of alcohol. Myself, Dr. Vyuma, Associate Professor in Chemistry, SPC Government College, Ajmer. What are alcohols? We have learned how to synthesize alcohols. Today we are going to discuss about the physical properties of alcohol. We know alcohols are liquids in state with typical alcoholic odor, colorless and water soluble. Higher alcohols are colorless, tasteless solids and water soluble. They are also. As the molecular weight increases, solubility in water decreases because the alkyl part of the alcohol increases, which is in soluble water. So water solubility also decreases. Alcohols have higher boiling points compared to their corresponding alkenes because they have typical association with themselves, and this is called hydrogen bonding. Due to hydrogen bonding, they are associated with each other, so the corresponding boiling points also increases. Branching in alkyl part of the alcohols make them less soluble in water with low boiling points. That means their boiling points also decreases with branching in alcohols. Now, next point is higher boiling points of alcohol is due to the hydrogen bonding present in it. Now, what is hydrogen bonding? How hydrogen bonding is? We know it is a hydrogen bonding, and what is hydrogen bonding? We now discuss what is hydrogen bonding. We know alcohols are R, O, H. Here R is a alkyl part and OH is a functional group. OH is a alkyl functional group. We know this R may be CH3, C2H5 or C3H7, etc. There is a bond between oxygen and hydrogen. We know that oxygen is having two pair of electrons and it is electronegative element. Hydrogen is electropositive, and the covalent bonded electrons shifts towards oxygen due to the electronegativity of oxygen. That is why oxygen develops slightly negative charge and hydrogen slightly positive charge. A polarity is developed here. Here polarity is developed and the bond becomes polar, and it can easily be broken by the reagents in a reaction and gives a hydrogen ion or proton. Due to this nature of alcohols, that is polarity of OH bond, oxygen is negatively charged and hydrogen is positively charged, the alcohol molecule can associate it with some other alcohol molecules, or we can say alcohol molecules are associated with each other through a bond that is called hydrogen bond. This is another alcohol molecule this is, and it is also a alcohol molecule. They both are linked to each other through this hydrogen bond. Hydrogen bond is, what is hydrogen bond? When hydrogen lies between two electronegative elements, then it is called hydrogen bond. Here you can see oxygen, hydrogen and hydrogen. So this is also a hydrogen bond. So in this molecule, two hydrogen bonds are there. So we can say one alcohol molecule is associated with some other alcohol molecules. The energy associated with hydrogen bond is nearly 2.5 kilocalorie. So to break the hydrogen molecule, we need 2.5 kilocalorie energy, and it is quite strong bond like van der Waals bond. That is why alcohols have higher boiling points corresponding to their alkanes, because due to this hydrogen bonding. So we can say hydrogen bonding makes them strong, associated with each other, and due to that their boiling points are high. Now we will discuss about the branching in alcohols. Suppose alcohols have, suppose we are discussing about some different alcohols. Suppose we have alcohol with 4 carbon atoms. So we can write N-butane, CH3, CH2, 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 OH. This is N-butanol. N-butanol या normal butanol. When there is a branching, suppose we can write this OH and branching here CH3, CH, and this is isopropyl alcohol. This is isobutyl alcohol. Now tertiary butyl, CH3, CH3, OH. This is tertiary butyl alcohol, this is secondary alcohol, and this is primary alcohol. Now, if we see the boiling points, N-butanol has boiling point of 117.7 degrees centigrade. 2-methyl-1-propanol is having boiling point of 107.9 degrees centigrade. And propanol tertiary 2-methyl-2-propanol is 82.5. This is 82.5 degrees centigrade. So we can see as the branching increases here from N-butanol to tertiary butanol, you can see there is a more branching, and as the branching increases, the melting point, boiling point also decreases. Boiling point also decreases. Why? Why this happens? Because some other forces also working here, that is London dispersion forces. London dispersion forces are working here besides the hydrogen bonding. This type of bonding, London dispersion forces or dipole interactions, occur in the alkyl part of the alcohol. This alkyl part attracts with the other alkyl part of alcohol, some other alcohol, due to this force that is called London dispersion forces. So in total alcohol, 2 types of bonds are working. We can say they are intermolecular forces. We can say them as a intermolecular forces. They are intermolecular forces. So we can say 2 types of intermolecular forces are working in alcohol. In alkyl part, London dispersion forces, and in OH part, hydrogen bonding. So we can say that in butanol, London forces and OH hydrogen bonding are quite strong, and one N-butanol molecule with some other butanol molecule can associate it strongly, so we need more energy to dissociate them. In 2-methyl-propanol, there is a branching due to which the alkyl part cannot associate it with some other alkyl part of the other alcohol molecule. So only hydrogen bonding is working here, and the force to bond the 2 molecules is quite low. So we need less energy to dissociate them. In case of tertiary butanol, there are branching at 2 sides. One is this side and one is this side. So it is quite difficult to associate 2 tertiary butyl molecules with each other, and we can easily break them. So the boiling points are quite less. So we can say as the branching increases, the association between the molecule also decreases as intermolecular forces lowers or decreases. That is why their boiling point also decreases. As boiling point is decreasing and intermolecular forces are also decreasing. We can now discuss about the solubility of alcohols and hydrogen bonding. how hydrogen bonding affects the solubility of molecules, of alcohol molecules. So next topic is our solubility and hydrogen bonding in alcohols. Why they are soluble in water? Same answer, hydrogen bonding. They are soluble in water due to hydrogen bonding. We have discussed earlier that alcohol molecules are associated with each other through hydrogen bond. When any alcohol molecule, suppose methanol, is associated with, or methanol is dissolved in water, what happened? We know water is also a polar molecule with delta positive, delta negative and delta positive charge. Alcohol is also polar molecule with delta negative and delta positive charge. We can see here the oxygen is also polar, hydrogen is polar. That means there is a pole. Here also there is a pole. So the opposite pole can attract each other and form a hydrogen bonding here. This oxygen molecule can attract this hydrogen. So we will write this like this. This is hydrogen. It is associated or can form hydrogen bond with water molecule. Similarly, this oxygen can form hydrogen bond with some other water molecule. Similarly, this is hydrogen, oxygen and hydrogen. This is hydrogen bonding and hydrogen bonding. So, one methanol molecule can bind with 3 water molecules. So, methanol is water soluble, or we can say methanol is miscible with water. What is miscibility? What is the difference between miscibility and solubility? When any solvent, solid or liquid is dissolved in water in all ratio, then it is called miscible. For example, if we take 1 ml of methanol and 100 ml of water, the methanol is soluble in water. If we take 50 ml of methanol and 100 ml of water, then they are also soluble. 1 ml of methanol plus 100 ml of water, they are also miscible. So when the methanol or any compound which is miscible with water in all ratio, then they are called miscible. And if a certain part is soluble in water, then it is called solubility. That means alcohols are soluble and miscible with water. And this all happens due to the hydrogen bonding. Due to the hydrogen bonding of alcohols with water. Alcohols forms hydrogen bonding with water. Now, suppose we can explain it like this. Suppose we have a compound with molecular formula C2H6O. We know we can write 2 isomers with this. One is CH3CH2OH and other one is CH3OCH3. This is ether and this is alcohol, that is ethyl alcohol. The boiling point of ether is nearly 24 degrees centigrade and ethanol is 78 degrees centigrade. Why this difference? We know that both have the same molecular formula, that is C2H6O. Same molecular formula, alcohol and ether have same molecular formula. Besides this, alcohol is having boiling point of 78 degrees centigrade and ether is at 24 degrees centigrade. This difference is just due to hydrogen bonding. This is just due to hydrogen bonding in alcohol, which is not present in ether.